Alright, let's move on to the next part. Specification number 2 asks us to state the percentages of the gases in atmospheric air. Now, if you look at the pie chart here, you can clearly see how the gases are distributed in our atmosphere. So, let's take a closer look at the composition of atmospheric air. The air around us is made up of several gases, but not all of them are present in equal amounts. Let's go through each one step by step. First, we have nitrogen. This gas makes up the largest portion of the air, about 78%. Nitrogen is an inert gas, which means it doesn't easily react with other substances. It's not directly used in respiration, but it plays an important role in maintaining the overall air pressure around us. Next comes oxygen, which makes up about 21% of the atmosphere. Oxygen is absolutely essential for respiration, as it allows living organisms to release energy from food, a process that keeps our cells and bodies functioning. Then we have carbon dioxide. This gas is present in very small amounts, roughly 0.04% of the air. Even though the quantity is tiny, it has a very important role. It's a waste product of respiration and also a raw material for photosynthesis in plants. Finally, there are the other gases, which together make up about 0.96% of the atmosphere. These include gases like argon, water vapor, and a few trace gases. They might be present in small amounts, but they still contribute to various biological and environmental processes. So overall, when we look at the pie chart, we can see that nitrogen and oxygen make up almost all of the air we breathe, while carbon dioxide and other gases form only a tiny part of it.